What is Adderall? Adderall contains a combination of amphetamine and dextroamphetamine. Amphetamine and dextroamphetamine are central nervous system stimulants that affect chemicals in the brain and nerves that contribute to hyperactivity and impulse control. Amphetamine dextroamphetamine belongs to a class of drugs known as stimulants. It can help increase your ability to pay attention, stay focused on an activity, and control behavioral problems. It may also help you to organize your tasks and improve listening skills. This drug is also used to treat certain sleeping disorders, narcolepsy, to help you stay awake during the day. It should not be used to treat tiredness or to hold off sleeping people who do not have sleep disorders. Warnings. Adderall may be habit-forming, and this medicine is a drug of abuse. Tell your doctor if you have had problems with drug or alcohol abuse. Stimulants have caused stroke, heart attack, and sudden death in people with high blood pressure, heart disease, or a heart defect. Don't use this medicine if you have used a monoamine oxidase inhibitor in the past 14 days. Proper use. Take this medicine only as directed by your doctor. Do not take more or less of it. Do not take it more often, and do not take it for a longer time than your doctor ordered. If you take too much, the medicine may become habit-forming, causing mental or physical dependence. This medicine should come with a medication guide. Read and follow these instructions carefully. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions. If you think this medicine is not working properly after you have taken it for several weeks, do not increase the dose and check with your doctor. Take the regular tablet in the morning and early afternoon. If you take the tablet in the evening, you may have trouble falling asleep at night. If you are using the extended release capsule, swallow the capsule whole with water or other liquids. Do not crush, break, or chew it. Take the capsule in the morning right after you wake up. If you take it in the afternoon or evening, you may have trouble falling asleep at night. You may take the capsule with or without food, but make sure to take it the same way each time. If you cannot swallow the capsule, carefully open it and sprinkle the small bits over a spoonful of apple sauce. Swallow the mixture right away without chewing. Do not store the mixture for future use. Do not crush or chew the bits from the capsule. Dosing. The dose of this medicine will be different for different patients. Follow your doctor's orders or the directions on the label. The following information includes only the average doses of this medicine. If your dose is different, do not change it unless your doctor tells you to do so. The amount of medicine that you take depends on the strength of the medicine. Also, the number of doses you take each day, the time allowed between doses, and the length of time you take the medicine depend on the medical problem for which you are using the medicine. For attention-difficult hyperactivity disorders, for oral dosage form, Adderall XR extended release capsules. Adults 20 mg once a day in the morning. Your doctor may adjust your dose as needed. Children 13 to 17 years of age at first 10 mg once a day in the morning. Your doctor may adjust your dose as needed. Children 6 to 12 years of age at first 10 mg once a day in the morning. Your doctor may adjust your dose as needed. However, the dose is usually not more than 30 mg per day. Children younger than 6 years of age, use and dose must be determined by a doctor. For oral dosage form, Adderall tablets. Adults and children 6 years of age and older, at first 5 mg given 1 or 2 times a day. Your doctor may adjust your dose as needed. Children 3 to 5 years of age, at first 2.5 mg once a day. Your doctor may adjust your dose as needed. Children younger than 3 years of age, use is not recommended. For narcolepsy, for oral dosage form Adderall tablets. Adults and children 12 years of age and older, at first 10 mg per day, divided and given into 2 doses. Your doctor may adjust your dose as needed. Children 6 to 12 years of age, at first 5 mg per day. Your doctor may adjust your dose as needed. Children younger than 6 years of age, use and dose must be determined by a doctor. Precautions. It is very important that your doctor check your or your child's progress at regular visits to make sure this medicine is working properly. Blood tests may be needed to check for any unwanted effects. This medicine can cause serious heart or blood vessels problems. This may be more likely in patients who have a family history of heart disease. Check with your doctor right away if you or your child have chest pain, trouble breathing, fainting, or a fast, irregular heartbeat while using this medicine. This medicine may cause some people to feel a false sense of well-being or to become dizzy, lightheaded, or less alert than they are normally. It may also cause blurred vision or other vision problems. Do not drive or do anything else that could be dangerous until known how this medicine affects you. Adderall side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergic reactions to Adderall. Hives, difficult breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Call your doctor at once if you have signs of heart problems, chest pain, trouble breathing, feeling like you might pass out, signs of psychosis, hallucinations, seeing or hearing things that are not real, new behavioral problems, aggression, hostility, paranoia, signs of circulation problems, numbness, pain, cold feeling, unexplained wounds, or skin color changes, pale, red, or blue appearance in your fingers or toes, a seizure, convulsions, muscle twitches, tics, or changes in your vision. Seek medical attention right away if you have symptoms of serotonin syndrome, such as agitation, hallucinations, fever, sweating, shivering, fast heart rate, muscle stiffness, twitching, loss of coordination, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. Adderall can affect growth in children. Tell your doctor if your child is not growing at a normal rate while using this medicine. Storage. Store the medicine in a closed container at room temperature, away from heat, moisture, and direct light. Keep from freezing. Keep out of reach of children.